Alright, now we're gonna ride the train to Terminal C here in this video.
You are at Terminal A.
Yep.
Hold
So
on
here
to
we
the
go.
rail.
This is also the second early back to school edition set.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal A. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal B.
Yeah. Once again, there's the last look at Terminal A. Yep. Now here we go. Yep. Yep. We're about to approach the all-service parking station. Yep, there it is right there. Whoa! That is a very, very sharp turn, that's for sure. Yep, and there's the other subway train. Yep. Up ahead is Terminal B, which is where we're about to approach. And yeah, we're going a little bit slow, and the reason being is because of this sharp turn. Yeah, because a lot of times the train would slow down because for the turn, please. Oh, that's a pretty nice song. Yep. Yep, now we're arriving in Terminal B. Whoa, and the train's kind of shaking a little bit
Next
too.
stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal B. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada
Okay, now
es
there's
el
people
Hotel
going
Marriott.
so go ahead and get the door for them. Whoa, it's a rough stop. Oh, where's the, okay, good, there it is. Go ahead. Okay, here you. Yep, now we're oh, okay, now we're closing up. Whoa, door closes so fast too.
Please stand clear of the doorway.
I don't,
When the doorway is clear, we will continue our trip.
alright.
Por favor,
Now here we
manténgase
go.
a una distancia segura de la puerta. Una vez la entrada esté despejada, continuaremos nuestro viaje.
And we're going pretty fast too. Oh, and you can also see the other subway train too. It's very nice. Yep, now we're about to approach the Marriott Hotel. We're just coming up to these turns again. Whoa. Whoa. Yep. Alright, so yeah. Now we're just about arriving at the Marriott Hotel, and our stop is next.
You are at the Marriott
Yep. Here we are.
En el Hotel Marriott.
Alright, so these guys are about to get on too, so
Su próxima parada
Sure,
es la
hold the door for
terminal C.
it's a rough stop too. Go ahead, I got the door. Oh, okay, someone else is trying to get on, so I'm gonna make sure that. Alright. Oh, the door just opened again. Okay, now we're closing up now. And the other train is arriving too. And we're leaving. Once again, the train's making those crazy vibrating sounds too. Yep. Here we go. Yep, once again we're going past this turn right here. Yeah, right now we're just going a little bit slow, but oh no, we're not. We're going somewhat fast. Yep, we're going pretty fast right now. And we're just about to arrive in Terminal C now. Yep. And here we are in Terminal C. Whoa.
You are in Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail.
Okay.
Your next stop
Now we are
will be
here.
Terminal D and
Go and get up.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal C. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal D y E.
All right. Anyone getting off here? Okay. I was just making sure. I got the door for everyone that's getting on. You're welcome. All right. There goes the train. Yep.
you are in
Okay.
Terminal C. Hold on to the
And
handrail.
that's
Your
it.
next